Welcome to Curious Kids. This video will talk about 25 migratory birds, distance they travel, and countries they travel. End. Arctic Tern. They travel 44,000 miles from Arctic to Antarctic. Bar-tailed godwit. They travel 7,500 miles from Alaska to New Zealand. Sooty shearwater. They travel 25,000 miles from New Zealand to North Pacific. Red knot. They travel 18,600 miles from Arctic to South America. Black-pole warbler. They travel 1,800 miles from Canada to South America. Ruff. They travel 6,200 miles from Arctic, Russia to Africa. Northern wheatear. They travel 7,500 miles from Arctic, Alaska to Africa. Peregrine falcon. They travel 9,300 miles from USA to Argentina. Common swift. They travel 7,500 miles from Europe to Africa. Snow goose. They travel 1,800 miles from Canada to Mexico. Golden plover. They travel 3,700 miles from Alaska to Brazil. Bald eagle. They travel 2,000 miles from Canada to USA. Ruby-throated hummingbird. They travel 2,500 miles from USA to Mexico. Swallow-tailed kite. They travel 2,200 miles from USA to Panama. Sandhill crane. They travel 2,500 miles from USA to Mexico. Lesser yellowlegs. They travel 3,100 miles from Canada to USA. Whimbrel. They travel 4,300 miles from Arctic to Brazil. Greater sand plover. They travel 3,100 miles from Arctic to Africa. Cattle egret. They travel 2,500 miles from Europe to Africa. Eurasian curlew. They travel 3,700 miles from Europe, UK to Africa. Western sandpiper. They travel 3,700 miles from Canada to Central America. Myna. They travel 1,600 miles from India to Southeast Asia. American oystercatcher. They travel 1,600 miles from USA to Bahamas. European bee-eater. They travel 2,200 miles from Europe to Africa. Pacific golden plover. They travel 2,500 miles from Alaska, USA to Hawaii. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe before you leave.